I went to the hardware store today to get some things, and then I saw this, an Alba N50 padlock. And I see this padlock used to lock just about anything here. It's like the master lock here. They don't sell master lock in my country. So I thought I'll give it a try. And this lock takes a full 5-pin key, and it has a Y1 keyway and a dead core. It's not spring-loaded. So this was quite a surprise for me. It is key retaining, but not spring-loaded. So I thought this is a good time to test my 50,000 homemade tension tool. And the tension tool fits really well into the Y1 keyway, which gives you full control over the core, especially when the core is not spring-loaded. Okay, so my raking technique is not that good, but still I managed to rake it open pretty fast. And I say I'm out of battery, so I won't single pin pick it, but trust me, I did it before, and it's pretty simple. There is no security in this lock, and it cost $10. Not sure why they insist on locking up everything with it. Well, have a nice day.